Hi there, it's Jason here from My Aircon Care. I want to thank you very much for requesting for this information. I think you're going to get a lot out of it, especially if you're someone that has no idea how to look after an air conditioner. Obviously that's why you're here and that's why you're watching this video. And in this video, the first video, what I'm going to show you how to do is clean your filters. Okay, so getting access to your filters is going to be different on each machine. In this instance, this machine is a Panasonic, and most of the Mitsubishis, Fujitsus, Daikins, they're all the same. Okay, you just pull the front cover up and pull the filters out. So I'll show you how to do that quickly now. So in most instances, you're going to need a ladder or something like this. You know, just a step ladder to get up to the height of the machine. And once you're here, there should be some little tabs on the side here, either side. You just pop them up. Okay, pop them up and you'll see the filters there. Okay, now I've just cleaned these ones, and the next part of it you'll see how I did clean it, but they're clean because I've just shot the video backwards basically, so you can see that they're clean. But all you want to do is it's really easy. You can see the little handle here. All you want to do is pull that handle up and just pull it out. Okay, and then take it outside, and I'll take you outside now and show you how to clean it. So let's go. All right, so we're outside now. I've just got these here. So what you want to do, right, is get your filter. All you're doing is getting your filter, you're turning it over, and you know, normally I'd hold it, but I can't. I've got to hold my phone so you can see it. All right, and all we're doing is we're spraying it, cleaning from the inside out. Okay, you want to make sure, see how it's curved like that? That's an easy way to tell how the curve goes like that. Spray it from that side. Don't spray the dust into the filter. Okay, and then once you've sprayed that side, spray that side. Just like that. So I'll try that again. So just like this. Okay, you can use the fan part of it. If you've got one of those hose handles that's got the fan, use that part. And all we want to do is just pop it outside to dry. All right, leave it outside to dry for about 10 minutes. Once it's dry, what you can do then is just spray on this surface of the fan any fragrance that you like. So if you like a certain type of fragrance, maybe eucalyptus is good because eucalyptus actually kills germs and it smells good. A lot of people like that. But you can spray something like lavender or whatever you like on it really. Just don't spray it on the actual unit itself, spray it on the fan. Okay, and you can do that as many times as you like. If you want to pull the filters out and give them a quick spray just before someone's coming over, maybe your house is smelling from maybe the dog weeing inside or something like that, which is pretty common. You can just spray these with the fragrance, turn your aircon on, and it'll distribute or just spread that smell around your house. It's a really pretty cool little tip there. And then what you want to do is come straight up to your aircon. I mean, you can, let me turn this around. Come straight up to your aircon, okay, and just give it a wipe over. There's one that I did earlier, as you can see. And then all we're gonna do is just slide this back in. Now, any excess dust or anything like that that you wanna wipe off, you can. The way we do it when I do a proper clean is I take the whole cover off. And there's plenty of videos on our YouTube and also our Facebook that show you that. But it's pretty easy. You can just get a rag and wipe it off if you wanted to. And that's it for this video. All right, so if you want to do that, go ahead and do it. And if you go to the video below, you'll see the next tip on how to keep your air conditioner clean and running well.